Lavazza Espresso Italiano. Espresso Italiano is a 100% Arabica blend from Central and South America with highly aromatic notes, delicious flavor and a rich body. The long-roasted coffee beans give it its distinctive Italian espresso taste. Aromatic and fragrant. Deeply flavored and very smooth, this traditional recipe carries the uniqueness of the Italian coffee aroma. Shop in ground, whole bean, and K-cup pods. It's no accident that Lavazza is Italy's favorite coffee. 4 generations of the Lavazza family have dedicated over 120 years to finding the best blends of coffee beans from all over the world to provide you the authentic Italian experience. The Lavazza Caffe Espresso Ground Coffee Blend is no exception. A mix of Central and South American Arabica varieties creates a rich dark roast with strong, fragrant flavor and aroma. This blend is best used with espresso machine or moka, but also suitable with drip coffee maker and French press. Enjoy a true taste of Italy that is uniquely Lavazza. Top reviews from the United States. Full-bodied and less bitter. Dark roasts are my go-to when it comes to coffee, with the unfortunate caveat of some of the more affordable ones being overwhelmingly acidic. Thankfully this one is full-bodied, strong, and flavorful. I advise using it in a moka pot or an espresso machine if you have one for best results.